If you wake up every morning with dry mouth, bad breath, and or you sleep next to a very snoring husband, well, this was me. My husband snores, like he really snores, and it would wake me up throughout the night. I kind of just assumed that we were both just bad sleepers, and that was kind of it. I didn't realize that mouth breathing could be part of the problem for both of us. So I randomly came across these MONIER Comfort Tape. And honestly, at first I was pretty skeptical about buying it because it's just this small strip that you put over your lips before bed. And it kind of just helps your mouth to stay closed so that you can breathe through your nose. I thought it would feel weird to me or kind of suffocating, but it really doesn't. The material is just really super lightweight and breathable. And after a few minutes, I got to where I didn't even notice it. So in the morning when I woke up, I just peel this off easily. There's no irritation or anything. But the first night I used it, I woke up in the morning and I didn't have that dry, gross feeling in my mouth, which I've had before, which that was a big win for me. But what I didn't expect was that my husband's snoring seemed better too. It wasn't completely gone, but it was definitely quieter. And after a few nights, I realized that I was actually sleeping through the night instead of waking up every few hours because of his snoring. So the moment that really convinced me though on these was just a few weeks ago. We went on a short spring break trip and I forgot to bring these with me. And those nights felt like such a step backwards for us. I woke up with a dry mouth again and my husband's snoring was back to normal. I barely slept on that trip. And as soon as we got home and used these again, everything just seemed to go back to how it was. Everything was just a lot quieter, more comfortable, just better sleep overall. So now we've just kind of added these to our routine all the time. We brush our teeth, we put these on, and we go to bed. I wake up in the morning feeling so much more rested. My mouth isn't so dry, and the nights are just a lot easier. Even my daughter has tried them after hearing us talk about them, and she said that it's been helping her sleep better too. So it's for everyone in the family. I'm not saying that this is some miracle fix and that everything was perfect after, but it was a real noticeable difference for us. So it was just a small change that ended up helping us way more than expected. I want to show you, I just peeled off the back, and I just want to show you how I put this on. I take it out like this. Try not to let it get together like mine did. You just gently, I try not to like stretch it too tight. I just put it over. And I peel it off like that in the morning. It's so breathable because you can see just how stretchy it is. It's so breathable that I can still kind of talk with it on. I'll try it one more time. You can still kind of hear me. I feel funny doing that on camera, but this is so nice and it's just really soft. So when it peels off, it doesn't hurt. We have loved these. They've been such a great addition for both of us at night. Give them a try.